Greetings, and welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. Where you have, where would I want more to you than God's kingdom? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go and write here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 18 from verse 18 to verse 30. One ruler asked Jesus, say, "Me good teacher, what me must do to live forever?" Jesus answered him, say, "What make you call me good? Nobody no good, only God one. You know the law them. No sleep with nobody where you no married to, no kill, no thief, no tell lie upon people, and you feel respect your father and mother." From me a little boy, me a follow all of them there with all of my heart, him say. After Jesus heard this, Jesus said to him, say, "You still have one thing left to do. Sell everything where you have and give the money to the poor people them, and you will reach in heaven. When you do that, come, follow me." When the man hear this, him heart drop, cause him did well rich. Jesus look upon him and say, "Are the hardest thing for rich people go in a God kingdom. It's easier for one camel go through one needle eye than for somebody who rich go in a God kingdom." Then we hear this, ask Jesus say, "Then who can get saved?" Jesus say, "What people can do, God can do." Then Peter say, "We left everything where we did have to follow you." I tell you the truth, Jesus said to them. Anybody will left for them yard, for them wife, brother, mother, and father, or them picnic, sake of God kingdom, them will get back whole heap more in that time, yeah, and them will get to live forever. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.